Ever ponder how augmented reality is revolutionizing our daily lives? Augmented reality, or AR as it's commonly known, is a technology that overlays digital information onto our physical world. Imagine peering through a window and seeing not just the world outside, but also a layer of digital data enriching that view. That's the essence of AR. Now that isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. Thank you for joining us here at Innovative Muse, where we explore the wonders of technology as it meets innovation. Welcome in! AR has already started to infiltrate various sectors of our lives. It's enhancing experiences in healthcare, making procedures less invasive and more precise. It's transforming education, making learning more interactive and engaging. It's revolutionizing retail, creating immersive shopping experiences. And that's just the beginning. Tourism, maintenance and repair, architecture and design, navigation and wayfinding, training and simulation. These are all areas where AR is making its mark. So, are you ready to explore this new frontier? Dive into this mind-boggling world of augmented reality with us. Imagine a world where doctors operate with X-ray vision. Welcome to healthcare in augmented reality. Augmented reality, or AR, is revolutionizing the way healthcare professionals work. It's like having superpowers in the operating room. Complex surgeries are now made simpler, as doctors can visualize the patient's anatomy in 3 dimensions, making precision a norm rather than an exception. But it doesn't stop there. AR is also impacting medical training. Students can now interact with virtual patients and conditions, gaining hands-on experience without the risk. This immersive learning environment is fostering the next generation of medical professionals, well-equipped to handle real-world scenarios. Moreover, Arkansas is enhancing patient care. It aids in explaining diagnoses and treatment plans, making medical jargon more understandable. Patients can now see their conditions and understand how treatments work, leading to better compliance and health outcomes. Augmented reality, a health game changer indeed. This is not a distant future, but a reality we are stepping into, where technology and healthcare converge to create a healthier world. Education is no longer confined to textbooks, thanks to augmented reality. This transformative technology is taking learning to a whole new level, making it an interactive, engaging, and fun experience. Imagine a history class where students can virtually visit ancient civilizations, or a biology lesson where they can study the human body in 3 dimensions. Augmented reality allows the abstract concepts to be visualized, making them easier to comprehend. It also caters to different learning styles, making education more inclusive. For instance, visual learners can benefit from detailed, 3-dimensional graphics, while kinesthetic learners can interact with virtual elements for a hands-on experience. Moreover, augmented reality can make distance learning more effective and interactive. It bridges the gap between teachers and students, making the virtual classroom feel more real. This technology is not just about enhancing learning, it's about redefining it. Augmented reality, reshaping the future of education. Shopping has never been this immersive. Welcome to retail in the age of augmented reality. Imagine strolling down the digital aisles of your favorite store from the comfort of your home. With augmented reality, this is not just a figment of imagination, but a tangible reality. Virtual try-ons are revolutionizing the world of fashion, allowing you to check out how the latest trends suit you without stepping into a changing room. Furniture stores are also jumping on the bandwagon, enabling you to visualize how that new couch would look in your living room. Grocery shopping is getting a makeover too. Picture this. You point your phone at a product and all the nutritional information pops up. Interactive shopping is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here and it's transforming the way we shop. Augmented reality is not just a tech buzzword, it's a game changer, redefining retail for the modern shopper. Augmented reality is not just a tool, it's an experience. Explore how it impacts tourism and maintenance. Imagine strolling through the streets of an unfamiliar city, your smartphone acting as a personal tour guide, showing you hidden gems, historical landmarks, and local hotspots. This is the power of augmented reality in tourism. It's like having an interactive travel brochure in your pocket, taking you beyond the usual sightseeing and immersing you into the culture, history, and stories of the place. Now let's shift gears to maintenance and repair. Picture a technician with a heads-up display, overlaying digital instructions on real-world machinery. The technician can see step-by-step guides, critical information, and even potential issues before they become problems. This not only streamlines the repair process, but also minimizes downtime, increasing efficiency and productivity. Augmented reality, a tool for discovery and efficiency. It brings the world closer to us and us closer to the world. Building worlds from scratch is now at our fingertips with augmented reality in architecture and design. The beauty of this technology lies in its ability to turn abstract ideas into tangible realities. Architects and designers can now visualize their creations in real time, in real space, and at a real scale. Imagine being able to walk through your dream home or office space before the first brick is even laid. This isn't just about pretty pictures, though. It's about problem solving. Augmented reality allows architects to identify potential design flaws early in the process, saving time, effort, and resources. It also fosters improved communication and collaboration. Designers can share their vision not just through blueprints or renderings, but through a shared interactive experience. This is the power of augmented reality in architecture and design. It's not simply about what we can see, but how we can see it, understand it, and interact with it. Augmented reality, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. Getting lost is a thing of the past. Navigate your way around with augmented reality. Gone are the days of squinting at tiny maps on our phone screens. Augmented reality, or AR, is revolutionizing the way we find our way in the world. It layers digital information onto our physical environment, guiding us through unfamiliar territories with ease. Imagine walking down a street, your smartphone or AR glasses, overlaying directions right onto the real world in front of you. No more second-guessing which turn to take. Arkansas provides real-time, context-aware directions that make navigating a breeze. Venturing into a large shopping mall or airport, AR wayfinding applications can highlight the path to your desired store or gate, making it virtually impossible to get lost. AR is not just about convenience, it's also about experiencing the world in a whole new way. It turns every journey into an interactive adventure. Augmented reality, your personal guide to the world. The training professionals in the most immersive way possible. Welcome to augmented reality in training and simulation. This innovative technology is revolutionizing how we train and educate. Imagine a soldier preparing for a mission. Now with augmented reality, they can be virtually transported to the battlefield, enhancing their understanding and readiness. Similarly, in the industrial sector, workers can use augmented reality to simulate complex machinery operations, reducing the risk of errors and accidents. This way, they can learn in a safe, controlled environment before handling real-life situations. Medical students too can practice procedures on virtual patients, improving their skills without any risk. Even in the world of sports, athletes can analyze their performance in real time using augmented reality, helping them perfect their techniques. It's clear that augmented reality is not just about gaming or entertainment. It's about creating a safer, more effective, and immersive learning experience. Augmented reality, crafting professionals of the future. We've seen how augmented reality is changing our world, but what does the future hold? From the healthcare sector, where AR is assisting surgeons perform intricate operations, to classrooms where it's transforming how students learn, augmented reality is bringing about a revolution. In retail, it's creating immersive shopping experiences, while in tourism it's providing virtual tours and maintenance guidance. In the realm of architecture and design, augmented reality is enabling real-time visualizations of design concepts. It's also changing the game in navigation and wayfinding by overlaying digital information onto physical environments. Last but not least, Arkansas is enhancing the effectiveness of training and simulation, making it possible to practice skills in a safe, controlled environment. Each of these applications is a testament to the transformative power of AR. As we look to the future, we can expect this technology to continue evolving, opening up even more possibilities for its use in our daily lives. The future of augmented reality is bright, and it's only the beginning. If you found any of this information helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, be well.